Over-the-counter penny stocks, what are they? Can you make money off of them? Is it even worth exploring? I think yes, obviously, and I'm going to go over what over-the-counter penny stocks are and how you can trade them to your advantage and make a really decent living doing so, coming up. What's going on, guys? Welcome to Own the Chaos. My name is Brad, and this channel is dedicated to helping you be your own boss. And you know, tips and tricks of doing that and being your own boss, being an entrepreneur, day trading is all chaotic, right? And so that is why this channel exists, so that you can own the chaos that is being an entrepreneur, being your own boss. And so I am working on a better line with that, but just bear with me. This is all work in progress, right? Done is better than perfect. I got to tell myself every day. So before I go any further though, if you want to see more tips and tricks on learning how to be your own boss and quit that 9-to-5 job so that you can experience the financial freedoms that being an entrepreneur truly provides, please like and subscribe to this channel. I certainly would appreciate it. It allows me to keep going so that I can give you some more awesome content such as this. What are OTC stocks? Why are they important? Why do I find value in over-the-counter penny stocks? And so I'm putting out this video. There's probably folks that have been following me for some time that are like, well, what the hell? Why are we going back to square one? But I'm realizing that there are people that have been following me for a short period of time. And I always talk about the OTC, pink stocks, pink sheets, yield signs, stop signs. What does all that mean? It has nothing, you know, it's a whole different area. It's a whole different environment than your typical New York Stock Exchange. And so I thought it was important to talk about today, especially since the last time I talked about what actually OTCs are. It was a pretty rough video. This is the part of the video where my video editors will probably go find some embarrassing clip of that video and show you just how bad it was back then and why I desperately needed to redo this. I'm Brad with TechBud Solutions and our OTC market chat group. What are OTCs? OTC stands for over the counter. And so basically what that means is that there are micro companies in a sense. So there you have it. Thanks, guys. So what is OTC trading? Well, FINRA says that over-the-counter trading refers to any trading that takes place off of exchanges, including stock exchanges and commodity exchanges. A host of financial products traded over-the-counter. In addition to stocks, over-the-counter trading can be done in bonds, currencies, and various derivatives. A massive part of the global securities market, with over-the-counter trading in certain types of financial products accounting for billions to trillions of dollars in trades every day. So these are basically stocks that aren't traded on the New York Stock Exchange. You're not going to see them next to Apple or Tesla. No, you're going to find these traded over the counter. It's a whole different ball game. It's an extremely volatile environment. If you don't know what you're doing, you can lose a ton of money. But with high risk always comes high reward. And so the OTC definitely provides that. You got to know what you're doing. And so that's why this channel existed in the first place. There was no other YouTube channel out there that was specifically dedicated to the OTC and over-the-counter trading. It just didn't exist. Everybody likes to lump in the OTC with penny stocks, but ultimately penny stocks traded on NASDAQ don't act anything like over-the-counter penny stocks. And so that's why I'm here. I'm here to talk to people about how over-the-counter penny stocks are traded, and you have to take everything that you've learned from a technical side and a fundamental side to learn how to trade in this extremely volatile market. You have to know how to look at filings, 8Ks, 10Ks, 10Qs, all that good stuff. You have to learn how to understand balance sheets. Going back to accounting 101 and understanding all of that is definitely important. Understanding share structure, all those fundamental qualities, and then pair it with technical analysis to truly become successful. Now, this is very overwhelming for a lot of people just starting to learn how to trade. But again, that is why this channel exists. And that is actually why my morning mentorship exists. So the morning mentorship is where I go live with folks from 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. Eastern time via video chat through Zoom. And then I remain with folks in a private chat group via Discord all throughout the day. So if you have any other questions, things are moving throughout the market throughout the day, then I'm there with you every step of the way to help you become a more successful over-the-counter penny stock trader. So what else do you need to know about over-the-counter penny stocks? Well, just understand that because of the volatility and because of everything that you have to learn,
patience is certainly required, and it's not something that I would encourage anybody to just dive into. There's this allure that a lot of people give off that it's really easy to just get rich quick, and that is not the case at all. The extreme volatility that we experience in the OTC requires you to take much smaller positions. A lot of people think that they can just take a 5-figure position no problem, but that's really not the case. You can really set yourself up for a lot of heartache and a lot of failure if you're not managing your risk wisely. So managing risk is ever important within over-the-counter penny stock trading, and it really is something that you're just going to have to master if you're ever going to become successful. Now, like I said, it's not going to be some fast track way to get rich or some sort of thing where you can just be able to quit your 9-to-5 tomorrow, but if you're consistent with it, if you stick with it, and you join us over in the morning mentorship at WeTradeHQ.com, I really do feel like that it's going to set you up for the best possible outcome. So if you like this video, I certainly would appreciate a thumbs up. And if you want to learn more about over-the-counter penny stock trading, you're not going to find a better channel out there than this one. And go look for yourself. There's no other YouTube channel out there that is going to be more specific and more intense on giving you information as it relates to the OTC more than this channel. So you're going to want to subscribe here. I guarantee you won't regret it. And go and check out some of the other videos I have as it relates to the OTC. I really think that you're going to get a lot out of it. And again, if you want to step up your penny stock trading game, click the links down below as well to check out the morning mentorship and just be a part of a free trading environment so that no matter what you're trading in the market, WeTradeHQ is the place for you. That's it for me, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. As always, I will see you all before the bell, and B. Smith is out.